How to enable caller ID on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. They scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on the phone settings. Scroll down to the bottom to find Show My Caller ID and tap on it. On this screen, you will see a toggle switch for Show My Caller ID. There will be a loading to show the status of the caller ID. After the loading ends, tap the switch to enable it. The toggle will turn green as shown here, confirming that your phone number will now be visible to the people you call. Following these steps, you can easily enable caller ID on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.